How to create Twitter account without phone number verification. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create Twitter account without verification of phone number. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch X or Twitter app on your device. Tap Create Account button. Select your convenient language. Tap Next button. Enter all your credentials like your name, email, and date of birth, then tap Next button. After that, verify your email address and enter the password. Tap on Sign Up button. Pick a profile picture or tap Escape for now. Now enter your username or you can escape for now and keep as it is. Tap on Next button. Tap on Allow button to allow X to send you notifications. Now tap Continue button and allow X to access your contacts. Follow some of the users from the suggested list and tap Follow button at bottom right corner. Again retry and follow more. Tap Next button. Now you have successfully created Twitter account without phone number verification. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.